So in eskrima di campo original, mixing is well, I will always refer to what Manong Jose or how Manong Jose describes to me mixing. It is just you employing different strikes, doing different strike one after the other. So that's just mixing of striking forms. So when you do two different forms, that is already mixing. But for him, if you have to mix, like for example what you did in the elementary forms, you do that in a specialization with so many forms, that is already mixing. So again, to summarize, mixing is just a combination of different striking forms, or a combination of one striking pattern with another striking pattern. So for example, mixing also for Manong Jose, he used that in high school also. He used the single stick first, and then he mixed that with double stick strike. So he mixed one single stick strikes, just like what he did in elementary, and then he is doing the double stick strike. So mixing one strike using the favored, if you are right-handed, that is the favored hand, and then doing again afterwards the double strike. So,